Hey guys, it's Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com, and yeah, this is an angle in my sewing room you don't usually get on my videos, and that's because I need to own up to a few things. I told y'all at the beginning of the year I'm going to start showing videos on how to clean my sewing room and how to get your space in shape too, and how to make it easy. And I have done several other videos. I'm going to put a link across the top here on how to quickly clean your sewing room. And then I promise I'm going to start showing more videos on how to clean your sewing room. Because listen, this space behind me is like, look at that leaning tower right there. That's terrible. Like, I know one day I'm going to knock it over. Has it made me clean it up? No, it hasn't. And what my fault is at this moment is I keep telling myself it was a really, really, really busy December. Okay. Like, it was crazy busy. I had other stuff going on in my, personal life outside of the quilting camera that you get to normally see. I had other stuff going on, which, I mean, who doesn't, right? Like, that's not an excuse. But that also, I've been working on giving myself grace too, because heaven knows we all could use a little bit more grace in our lives. And I totally believe that. I try really hard not to be super critical of myself all the time, because I am definitely a perfectionist, not from looking at the space behind me, but looking at, like, internally, I'm a perfectionist. If I know that I can't do it properly and I can't do it the way that I want it to be done, I then procrastinate. Did you know those two go together, like, really, really well? Like, you might notice this trend in yourself, okay? If you tend to be a perfectionist, you also can find that you procrastinate a lot. And that rang true for me. I don't know. I can't remember how many years ago I learned that, but it rang true for me. And that is it. Is also, I kept looking at this room and going, I told my people that I would film myself cleaning this room, but I am not 100% camera ready right now, as in, the hair is not fixed. The makeup is not proper. I told myself, I'm not camera ready right now. I'm like wandering around in my sewing jammies. Like, I'm not getting on camera like that. And then, so what did I do? Like, it's been 3 weeks. What's one more day? I'll do it tomorrow. But then tomorrow, I definitely find another reason, as in, I really should be spending time with my kids. I should not be worrying about the state of this room. I'm just going to close the door, which the door is closed right back there. The door is closed right now so that you don't get the noise and the insanity of the children behind the door and the dogs and everything. So, yeah, and I just kept telling myself, I'll close the door and we'll do it tomorrow. And I'll close the door and we'll do it tomorrow. And here it is, like, I don't know, we're mid-January now. Have I worked on this room? No. Do I know that the second that I work on this room, it's not going to be as hard as I think it will be? And yes, I'm still going to have to work a little bit, but I'm going to be inspired to clean more. And I'm going to be inspired to clean more. And once I have this space back in check, it's going to work so well again for me. I'm going to want to create more. I got to be honest. After the Christmas rush and everything, I was not inspired to work on another project. And so my room stayed like this. And remember in my last video, I showed you, I'm sorry, there's camera equipment right there, but that whole space right there that was supposed to be empty so that I could cut fabric, it's not empty. So you know what I haven't done? Cut any fabric. You know what I haven't started? Any projects. And you know what? Is starting to affect my mood. I'm starting to get a little bit grumpy because I'm not creating, because I'm not taking time for myself, because I'm not coming in here. Now, I do spend time at my desk, and my desk is purposely with my back to the rest of this room so that I can focus on, my videos, my editing, my blogging, all of that stuff, so I can focus on that and not worry about the sewing stuff behind me. But it's gotten to where, like, that I can't even ignore it anymore. So if you're feeling like a little bit of a failure, if you're feeling like I should be able to clean up my space, If you're feeling like I should have started this 3 weeks ago, yeah, me too, girlfriend. Me too. So what do you say? The next video I show you is going to be me getting off my tail and starting to clean up this mess. Now, I do have a full guide. So just so you think that I'm not like approaching this is in like a, I'm just going to do a little spring cleanup here and, you know, everything will be good. I will show you how I organize my stuff because this space has been in like primo amazing condition before, and I can get it back there fairly quickly with some elbow grease. That's not out of the question. That's how it's going to have to be at this point because I've let it go for so long and I've just told myself that it's too hard. I don't have the energy. But you know it's also really hard? Creating in this space, obviously, because I haven't done it. I haven't done anything. I haven't created in this space. It's a disaster. And it doesn't inspire me to create. So we're going to have to start somewhere. I'm going to start sharing those videos. I'm going to tell you what I do. But if you have never had that primo, pristine, amazing sewing room that you really, really love and you want to start this journey with me, I want to introduce to you a guide that I created a while back that walks you through how to transform your space. It's 25 days. There are prompts every single day. I'm going to be going through some of that material in these videos that I'm going to share with you while I spruce up my space here. But that guide goes even deeper into those and it gives you like a solid action plan. Okay, it's called Just 25 Days. And I'm going to put the link down below this in the description box. I am going to give you my super duper sale price. Don't tell anybody that that's a super duper sale price, okay? That's a YouTube special there. I'm going to put the link to that super sale price in the description box down below this video so that you can download that guide and know exactly how to transform your space. Because what I have here in this space, I have the bones for organization. I have the bones for an amazing space that really didn't require a lot of investment on my part. Now, I will show that these, see, that one still doesn't close. How bad is that? Okay, squirrel brain off. I do have like these cool cabinets that I invested in and I worked to get, right? And I found them at like a good deal, and yes, they are amazing, but you don't have to have expensive furniture. You don't have to have like those dream amazing craft spaces that you see on TV to have a good organized space to work in. And I'm going to be showing you in my guide in the Just 25 Days how you can repurpose the things that you already have, how you can do it on a budget, and the step-by-step process to get to the absolute space of your dreams, which is what we're going to whip this place back into very, very shortly because I can't stand it anymore. It's oh, it's so bad, y'all. It's so bad. But we're not going to focus on the bad, right? We're going to focus on the good because you know what? It's been a busy season. It's been a busy season, and my perfectionist / procrastination personality has just not been very kind in letting me give myself some grace and go, yeah, you know what, Kristen, it's been 4 weeks that you've been saying, this place is a wreck. Who lives here? This isn't your sewing room. But now it's gotten to the point where I don't even create in here right now. So it's time. So thank you for your encouragement. For those of you who said like, yes, let's do this. I am ready to clean up my sewing space. I'm ready to see more behind the scenes stuff and what happens with, I don't know, Kristen and whatever else she does off the YouTube camera, then know that content is coming. I just procrastinated. And I appreciate your love and support, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. I'm going to start recording those videos of cleaning up the space right now, so expect to see those fairly soon on my channel. Thanks for sticking with me. I love you. Make sure you also give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.